Good afternoon guys, welcome back to the channel. So today the boys have been very busy. Richard and Jack have been working on this 2021 Hyundai Tucson. Now we've done a few of these, but this is only the second video that we've been able to do for the electric tailgate upgrade. It is an aftermarket electric tailgate. It's not like some of the other Volkswagen Audi ones that we are able to do using all genuine parts, because they don't do genuine part retrofit. But this is a kit that we buy in from a preferred supplier in the Far East. Comes with all the bits and pieces that allow us to give you a seamless integrated retrofit for your Hyundai Tucson. So join me around the back and we will show you what we've been doing. So part of the process is the standard manual telescopic rams or struts have been replaced for new heavy duty electric ones or electric one. Some cars have two electric ones, some models just have one. And then not only do we remove and replace the manual, but we also have to remove the boot locking latch mechanism that as the boot lid comes down, it then latches and you have a button to release. Well, of course, the new one is now motorized, and you'll hear that and see that in a second when we open and shut the boot. So let's pop that down there. We give these bits and pieces back to the customer because a lot of customers want to put it in their garage for 10 years to get dusty, which is fine because it means less waste for us to do and deal with. So this is all now in and fitted, and we'll show you part of the process. So the customer did bring both the keys. It's not necessary. We don't code the car, we don't code the keys. It's just the key command doing its thing. So it doesn't matter which one I use here. If I want to open the boot lid, I can open the boot lid by pressing the button on the inside here. At the moment, the car is locked. Okay. Boot lid opens. We've got two electric rams on here, and as you can see, quite a bit difference in size. With the electric side of things, these are a bit more power, heavy duty, and that's because of course these are gas shocks, and inside here you've then got a little motor that's pushing it up and down. Cabling all goes through. We don't drill these holes, these are pre-made. We are just interacting with them to give you that seamless end result. Now this is a newly fitted button on the top panel. We take away the blank that was in there and we fit the new button as so, and it's illuminated, so we can just press that button. And as the boot shuts, the new motorized latch just takes it in, grabs the door shut and keeps it nice and firm. And now what we can do is, if I want to not use the back of the boot lid, we want to use the key, I'm going to press and hold the boot lid button here for 1-2 seconds. As soon as the lights flash, the car is sending a command to the body control module, which then allows the boot lid to open. That's it. Get a little beep at the end to say I'm done. You can pop your bits and pieces into the boot. So we'll do this now for this customer. Pop that in there like so. Got your hands full with shopping bags, suitcases, whatever. We're going to press the same button again, 1, 2, and as soon as you do that, the boot is then going to shut. Now, in addition to that, and as also exactly the same as the first video we ever did, we've done a sneaky little button in the driver's seat. So let's come and I'll show you that now. With this particular ignition switched on, like so. We've got a newly installed button here on the top of the sun visor. Now this, when the sun visor is shut, is hidden out of the way. When the sun visor is open, is accessible. If I wanted to, I can 1, 2, 3, and the boot would now open. Okay, so that's with the ignition on. Typically the driver's door would be shut. And if then Sammy comes back and shows you again, the driver's door would be shut, we could have the window open, but this is the whole point is that I'm not touching the key. The key is up here like so, but you've got full operation of the boot lid just by pressing again 1, 2 on the button, and then the boot lid's going to shut automatically. And ladies and gentlemen, that's it. So this is a 2021 Hyundai Tucson. Another customer leaves our workshop with gone from manual boot lid to electric boot lid. Not just electric boot lid, but full remote control for opening and closing from your key fob. If you've got a vehicle like this and you want this retrofit and you don't mind visiting us down here in sunny Dorset, then please do get in touch with us. Contact form on our website links in the bio. We've got a couple of videos on this. If you've got any questions, please do get in touch with us. And as usual, thank you for watching.